Before the Spaniards set foot in the Philippines, Filipinos had their own way of writing a beautiful and intricate script called Baybayin. Used widely across the islands, Baybayin was more than just letters. It was a window into the rich culture of early Filipinos. Each character represented a syllable, making it unique from the Latin alphabet we use today. Though Baybayin slowly faded after the Spanish introduced their writing system, it never truly disappeared. Some Filipino groups, like the Mangyan of Mindoro, still use scripts similar to Baybayin, preserving a centuries-old tradition. Today, there's a growing movement to revive Baybayin as a symbol of Filipino identity. Some schools teach it, and it's even seen on government logos and street signs. Will Baybayin make a comeback? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: it remains a powerful reminder of our rich history and identity as Filipinos. Would you like to learn Baybayin? Comment below.